In this video, the TRX-4 hits a car. Ooh. And Pat does a recovery. Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Oh! What do you reckon? Hit that log here and then go through the gap there. What do you reckon the chances of that? What do you reckon the chance of that?
Although it's very slim, but...
Yes. Oh no. Now what? Hold on, I can come and get you. What's happened here? Oh no! Now what?
I'm still stuck.
Hold on, I can come and get you. Hey!
Oh, they can't. My poor Land Rover.
Oh!
Careful.
Oh, that sounded like damage. Oh! I struggled on that bit. Oh no, there we go. Yes. Don't worry about my camera, go for it. We'll come up here, up this bit here. Oh yes. Oh, here's a bit. Oh, can you get up this bit? Oh, and he's up. Yes. Can it get up here with a GoPro on? It might not look it, but it makes it top heavy. Ah. Yes, that's where I wanted it. Oh, no it isn't. Bit of team. Oh, look at that tyre screwing up. Oh, 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 GoPro down. Yeah, that's what you don't want, you will.
Benjamin Bombrake won't do that to me.
Backflip with GoPro. Here we go. Oh my God!
Really?
Bloody hell. Too much. It's just twisting, isn't it? I reckon this one would do it. Yeah, oh! Oh, landed it, but it took a bounce. Oh! Oh, GoPro down. Look! Oh, body post come through the shell. Oh no! Oh, over!
And my battery died just at that point.
Yes!
What's the dust, Ted?
4S power, baby! Yeah. Oh! That sounded like something came off.
Sounded like that was your exhaust or something.
Oh no, this!
What was that?
The bumper mount.
No, you donkey. Where'd you hit the wheel?
Yeah. Oh, bent chassis!
Oh no!
Bent the chassis! That's alright, we've got a hammer. What is it about this car being parked here? Didn't someone else hit it here the other day when it was parked here? I reckon I could do a standing backflip, you know.
Yeah, this is what the people's garden.
Oh, look at that standing backflip!
Coming. Oh, look, what's it up? It's happy.
Yes! That's crazy! Watch. That's a 4S. Oh, backflipped it up the curb. Awesome. Yes. What do you reckon? Bunny hop it off the bonnet? Yeah. Yes. What? What up for Oh no, look! Bent shock! Oh, I think I've had it. That's why it all looks wonky, because the shock's bent.
Yeah. Right, that's it for the day then.
Yeah, I think we'll call it a day.